In today's video, I'm going to teach you step-by-step guide to deposit funds. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move money into your account confidently and without confusion. Start by logging into your Exness personal area. Use the official website or app and make sure your connection is secure before entering your credentials. Once you're in, head to the main menu and open the Deposit tab. This is where you'll begin the funding process. Next, choose your preferred payment method. Depending on your region, you'll typically see options like bank transfer, credit or debit card, e-wallets such as Skrill or Neteller, and cryptocurrency. Pick the method that suits your needs. Keep in mind that each option may have different processing times, limits, and possible provider fees. For example, e-wallets and cards are often near instant, while bank transfers can take longer and crypto deposits depend on network confirmations. It's also a good idea to use a payment method in your own name to avoid verification issues. Now enter the amount you want to deposit. Make sure it meets the minimum requirement of the payment method, as well as any minimum for your account type. If your payment currency differs from your trading account currency, be aware that conversion may occur, and the final amount credited might vary slightly. Staying within the stated limits helps prevent declines or delays. You'll then see a transaction summary. Take a moment to review the details carefully. Confirm the amount, the payment method, and any displayed charges. If something doesn't look right, go back and adjust before you continue. When everything looks correct, tap Confirm to proceed. From here, follow the on-screen instructions specific to your payment provider. You may be redirected to a secure bank page to authorize the payment, asked to confirm a one-time code, or prompted to log into your e-wallet. For cryptocurrency, you'll be shown a wallet address and the exact amount to send. Ensure you're using the correct network and send the precise amount provided. Once you approve the payment, the transaction cannot be edited, so double-check before finalizing. After completing the provider's steps, you'll be returned to your personal area. Many deposits appear almost instantly, but some methods take longer. Keep any reference numbers or receipts until the funds show in your account. If you're prompted to select a specific trading account, pick the correct one. And if the deposit doesn't reflect within the expected time frame, check your deposit history for the status and follow any guidance shown there.